literally for pirates off the coast of Somalia. This is no joke. These pirates hijack boats, often killing the owners and the crew on board. Captain P. Munkenden is with the International Maritime Bureau. He's on the phone now from Pakistan. Captain, good morning to you. Has the U.S. military been able to track down any of these pirate ships?
Yes, they have been successful in doing it a number of times in the past, but the latest attack was a couple of days ago when a Korean general cargo ship leaving Mogadishu was attacked by pirates. A battle ensued on board the vessel for control of the ship between the crew and the pirates. Some of the crew members were injured, one of whom was shot in the legs, quite seriously injured. The U.S. Navy vessel came to the assistance of the vessel, and 6 pirates have been captured, 2 were killed, and the emergency medical attention was given to the crew members who were injured.
All right, some of the video we're watching right now is from file tape from previous incidents. I want to point that out to our viewers. This is not current with what's happening now. Indonesia's the worst. Somalia and Nigeria right behind that. Why is that the case?
Well, actually, Indonesia is not the worst. At the moment, the highest risk area is Somalia, followed by Nigeria. In fact, the attacks in Southeast Asia have come down come down quite a lot in the past few years.
I'm just reading Indonesia is the world's worst piracy hotspot. 37 attacks in the first 9 months of 2007.
Yes, but it is the nature of the attacks. I mean, in Somalia, we are talking of very serious attacks where ships are hijacked.
I see. What do they want, Captain?
Yeah. Sorry?
What do they want?
Well, it depends. At the low-level attacks, like many of the attacks in Indonesia, they are maritime muggers. I mean, they get on board in order to steal whatever they can from the ship, and the attack lasts about 30 minutes to about an hour. And in that time, they are gone.
Listen, I'm out of time, but I want to thank you for your time. Captain P. Munkenden, the reason we point this out is because the U.S. military is now involved in these with these raids off the coast of Somalia. A lot of pressure on the high seas right now to try and rein in these pirates and track them down after they have threatened a number of boats in the area. So something to keep an eye on too in a moment here, as we will. Show you the ship. Do we have it? No, we don't.
No, there it is.